What's up, folks, and welcome back. Today I have something for you that is truly a secret weapon, and that is the matrix diagram. I'm going to be breaking down 5 specific matrix diagrams that will save your project from turning into a complete disaster. In project management, we're constantly looking for relationships. As a project manager, maybe you ask yourself, who's doing what, or which tasks are most important, or maybe which product is worth the investment. A matrix diagram can take all of that complex information, snap it into a grid that makes sense for you and to key stakeholders. The first diagram we will talk about is a classic one, and that is the Eisenhower Matrix. If you've ever reached 5 p.m. and you've realized you've gotten nothing done despite being busy all day, this one is for you. It splits tasks into 4 quadrants: do, schedule, delegate, or delete. The goal is to stop living in the urgent quadrant and to start spending more time in the important but not urgent quadrant. This is where the real planning and growth happens. If it's not important and if it's not urgent, drop it and your schedule will thank you later. Next up, we have the authority matrix. This is pretty much your who's the boss chart. It maps out business functions or decisions against organizational roles. It clarifies exactly who has the power to approve, who executes, and who manages. With an authority matrix, you can say goodbye to the old, I thought you were gonna sign off on this email. You know who you are. It's all about establishing internal controls and a clear chain of command before the project even starts. Next up, we got a fan favorite. Number 3 is the RACI chart. This is a specific type of authority matrix that focuses purely on responsibilities. For every task, you assign 4 roles: responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. It's the ultimate tool for accountability, and if a task fails, you know exactly who's accountable. RACI charts provide a shared understanding for the whole team and are the fastest way to find out how involved an individual should be without micromanaging them. Moving into strategy, we have the BCG Matrix, also known as the Boston Consulting Group Matrix. This one right here is from our high-level thinkers. It helps you evaluate your projects or products based on market share and market growth. Are you investing in a star with high growth, or are you wasting resources on a dog with low share and low growth? This matrix helps PMOs and senior management decide where to put the money and where to pull the plug. And finally, we have the skills matrix. This one right here is going to help you build your dream team. You list your team members on one side and the required skills on the other side. In Draw.io, you can use the multi-page feature and create one page for your team members and one page for your required skills. A skills matrix ensures that you aren't just assigning tasks to people because they're available, but because they're actually the right person for the job. The best part is you don't need a PhD to know how to build the matrix diagram. You can head to the blog post I've linked in the description, download these matrix diagrams as templates, and start using them right away. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 matrix diagrams you're going to try out first, or let me know your favorite. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe. And until next time, happy diagramming.